Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This video teach you how to add emoji option to your iPhone keypad as well as how to use them. The emoji keyboard is available on all iPhone and iPad run iOS 5 or higher. Since the current iOS version in iOS 11, your iPhone or iPad should support emoji use. First, open your iPhone setting, tap the setting app icon, scroll down and tap General. This option is near the top of the setting page. Scroll down and tap Keyboard. It's near the bottom of the General app. Tap Keyboard. You will find the near the top of the screen. Doing so open a list of keyboards that you currently have active on your phone. Tap Add New Keyboard. Tap Emoji. You will find it's a E section of the keyboard page. Tap it will immediately add to your iPhone keyboard. Close the setting app. Press the home button at the bottom of your iPhone screen to do so. You will now use emoji from your iPhone keyboard. Look like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and click bell icon.